In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your Base44 app into offline app. So I will show you how you can use it without internet connection, and it's pretty simple. Just follow my steps. So firstly, I created the project and I told to Base44 to create me a simple calculator that can run offline without internet connection. So if I press 5 multiplied by 5, it's 25, so as you can see, it's working. Now, to be able to use it offline without internet, what we can do is click on this button, click on Export Project as Zip, then click on Download Zip. This will download your file. So as you can see, this is my file. Now what you need to do is drag it on your desktop and extract it. So right click and click Extract All. Click on Extract. Now you can delete this and you can take this file and open it. Now from here, what you need to do, you need to go to Node.js.org and you need to download it. So click on Get Node.js, and from here you can click on Windows or macOS. I have Windows. You can click on Windows installer. So it's really easy to install. Just click on it and install it. Once you have it, what you can do is find this package.json. So select package.json, and what you need to do is open it in terminal. So how you can do this is by typing cmd here. And as you can see, it opened my file. So this is my exact file. And now you need to type npm install. Click on it, and this will install your file. So we need to wait a second. Now next step is to type npm run build. So now this created this dist folder, as you can see. Now we need to install a local server. So to do this, type npm install -g serve and press enter. Then type serve dist. And as you can see, this is my server right now. So if I copy this URL, and I'm going to go to back to Google, and I will paste it here. So as you can see, this is my local server, and now this is offline, so it's without internet. So I can click 5 multiplied 5, and it's working, as you can see. So this is how you can convert your Base44 app into offline app. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.